Discussion boards will be assigned near the end of each module to allow students to practice applying concepts to actual reading and writing situations. Note that discussion boards are worth the most points in the course. There are two ways to access each discussion board. One is via the course menu. You'll see all of them listed, and you'll have to scroll to the one that you want to read. The other way to access discussion boards is from inside the module. No matter which way you access the discussion boards, the instructions will appear before you actually enter the forum. Here we see the instructions on the All Discussion Boards page, and here we see them inside the module. Read these instructions even before you enter the discussion board forum. Once you do enter the forum, you will not see the instructions, but don't worry, you can get them back. Click Create Thread to view the instructions again. The instructions always include a step-by-step explanation of how to complete the assignment. Carefully read the instructions and make note of what's expected of you. Notice that different types of posts are required. Initial posts. These are your initial thoughts and responses to the writing prompt or questions. And response posts. These are your responses to your classmates. Discussion board number 1 only requires initial and response posts. A third type of post is called the close the loop post. These are your responses to your classmates' responses. Close the loop posts are required in discussion boards 2 through 6. Each discussion board that is graded has a link to the rubric so you know the grading expectations. The first discussion board is not graded. Here are some tips for using the discussion board. The best way to get your posts formatted the way you want them is to compose in Word. Then you can cut and paste your post into the discussion board. The Save Draft button, which is at the top and the bottom, saves the draft for you to come back to later. Only the blue Submit button will post to the discussion board for everyone to see. Use the breadcrumbs along the top of the page to help you move around in the discussion board. Click Subscribe to get notified each time someone posts in a particular discussion board. Before you post, proofread what you wrote. Discussion board posts should be written in clear academic prose that is free from surface-level errors in spelling, grammar, and punctuation. There is a spell checker here near the message window. Discussion boards will be used throughout the course as a tool for me to assess students' reading and writing skills.